Imagine if your body could turn sunlight directly into food. Sounds impossible, right? Well, plants do exactly that every day through a process called photosynthesis. Without it, there would be no oxygen to breathe, no food to eat, and no life as we know it. Let's break down how plants literally power the planet. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food. Inside plant leaves are tiny green structures called chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll captures energy from sunlight and uses it to power a chemical reaction. Carbon dioxide from the air, plus water from the roots plus sunlight produces glucose, which the plant uses as food, plus oxygen, which is released into the air. This reaction does two critical things: feeds the plant. The glucose fuels growth, reproduction, and energy storage. Releases oxygen, the byproduct we humans and animals depend on for survival. Without photosynthesis, Earth's atmosphere wouldn't have oxygen, and the food chain would collapse. Photosynthesis isn't just about plants. It's the foundation of all ecosystems. Plants, algae, and some bacteria act as producers, supporting all other life forms. Even the steak on your plate traces back to photosynthesis, because animals eat plants and humans eat both. Photosynthesis also plays a huge role in climate regulation. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, helping balance Earth's temperature. Rainforests like the Amazon are often called the lungs of the planet because they produce vast amounts of oxygen and store massive amounts of carbon. But deforestation and climate change threaten this balance, making photosynthesis more important than ever. So, photosynthesis isn't just a science term. It's the reason we're alive. Plants are silent powerhouses, capturing sunlight and transforming it into the energy that fuels every bite we take and every breath we breathe. Next time you see a tree or a blade of grass, remember, it's not just greenery. It's Earth's ultimate life support system. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.